Hello my dear friends, I am absolutely thrilled because I managed to get my hands on the new Armani code Elixir. So together we're gonna have the first impression unboxing and in couple of days the full review. So let's do it. Alright, so this is the 50 ml bottle Armani code Elixir, Giorgio Armani, and some informations here, and this is the batch code 38Z201S. So this is the batch code Armani code Elixir, and yeah, let's do it. So as I said, this is the batch code here, Armani code Elixir here. Wow, just look at this. Armani code Elixir, and this is the batch code 38Z21S parfum. So again, maybe this is just a parfum concentration, but no, it's alright, thank you very much. So we are having magnetic cap, that's really nice, and also refillable bottle, that's super. So let's have the first spray. Alright guys, so this is very boozy, and straight away to me this has like a very nice alcoholic boozy, and is reminding me of CH Man Privé, and this is an amazing thing because I love CH Man Privé. So it's reminding me of CH Man Privé, and this is an amazing thing because I love CH Man Privé. This is very good, but of course we get that tonka bean mixed up with some CH Man Privé boozy whiskey kind of feeling, so this is good, I like it. So we are like 20 minutes after, and now I start picking up some leather, and the leather is strong but it's not offensive. And also I just went upstairs and I took my CH Man Privé bottle, so I'm going to spray it. So in the opening this reminded me a bit of CH Man Privé, but is not a clone or something like that. So as I said, this is an amazing thing. Hello. Also Armani code Elixir is a bit fruity, we get a citrusy, orangey kind of feel. With some alcohol leather, so the opening is absolutely amazing. And the thing is guys, after 10 minutes that fruitiness is gone, so we have leather, some alcohol vibe there, and of course some vanilla tonka bean, this, you know, Armani code DNA. But as I said, this is just a first impression, and I'm looking forward to test it in real life. So the review will be in a couple of days. Really happy for Armani code Elixir, and by the way I paid about 95 euros. From my origins Again, don't get me wrong, this is not a clone, but it's just a slightly vibe there with CH-Man Privé. In the opening, you know, in the dry down, they are going aside one to another. Thank you very much for watching. Until next time, take care of you guys. Bye bye.